Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream and cake. We'll explore various delicious options to elevate your desserts. From light and airy whipped cream to rich, pipeable buttercreams, you'll learn the fundamental steps. We'll cover key ingredients and techniques to ensure your cake fillings are always smooth, stable, and incredibly flavorful. Get ready to transform your baking. For a classic, light whipped cream, start with very cold heavy cream, ideally with 36% or more milk fat. Chilling your bowl and whisk for 15 minutes beforehand helps immensely. Whip the cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. Then, gently fold in powdered sugar and a touch of vanilla extract for a delightful, airy texture perfect for many cakes. Buttercream is incredibly versatile and holds its shape beautifully. Begin by creaming 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter until light and fluffy. Gradually beat in 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, until well combined. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream to achieve your desired consistency, then mix in your favorite flavorings like vanilla or almond extract. For a rich, tangy cream cheese frosting, ensure both 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter are at room temperature. First, beat the cream cheese until it's completely smooth, about 1 minute. Then, add the softened butter and beat until combined. Gradually incorporate 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing on low speed to prevent a thin consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.